The appearance of Matubato at the Senate inquiry was questioned by Senators Panfilo Lacson and Alan Peter Cayetano. Senator Lacson says Matubato is not a credible witness. For his part, Senator Cayetano believes Matubato's testimony is part of efforts to unseat President Duterte. This report.
A cloud of doubt hung over the main witness' credibility upon his cross-examination by Senator Panfilo Lacson in the resumption of the Senate hearing on human rights violations and extrajudicial killings. This was Senator Lacson's observation as he noticed so many loopholes and inconsistencies in the Edgar Matubato's statements and replies to his questions. Mr. Matubato is Senator De Lima's main witness and is a self-confessed hitman for the notorious Davao Death Squad, a ragtag group of vigilantes blamed for stylistic executions and lynchings in Davao City in the early 90s. The group is linked and allegedly beholden to then Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. Senator Lacson couldn't help reliving a similar experience in a Senate investigation 15 years ago, where dubious personalities concocted tales of abuse and police brutality he ruthlessly led in his campaign against crime as then PNP chief. And he is not convinced Mr. Matubato's statements and allegations are truthful at all. Meanwhile, current PNP Chief Ronald De La Rosa belied Mr. Matubato's contention he knew him back then. He also denied Mr. Matubato's allegation of the elimination of a certain international terrorist, Sally Mactoum, in Davao City during the height of the killings.
Hindi pamilyar. First time ko siya nakita. Dito lang kung totoo sa taga Davao. First time ko siya nakita. Dito lang kanina. Hindi po ako nagkakamali. Hindi ko pa siya nakita ever since. Ulo narinig niya pangalan niya. Narinig niya pangalan niya na senador daw. Si Matubato. Hindi ko pa namit yung mukha niya. Hindi ko pa nakita.
Likewise, Senator Vicente Soto III raised the issue whether the Commission on Human Rights only cared for those killed in the anti-illegal drugs operations and not those innocent non-drug-using murder, rape, robbery, theft, battery, and assault victims of drug dependents and addicts.
Masyado tayo nakafocus dun sa mga napatay sa police operation, mga vigilante killing. Nakakalimutan na natin na nagtatrabaho yung Philippine National Police. 16,891 ang arestado sa mga operations. Hindi pinapatay lahat yun dahil hindi nagre-resist. Ang nagre-resist yung 1,105 according to your records, hindi po ba? So yes, dapat mabigyan din natin ng highlight yun at wag yung puro the other side na dinidiinan ng gobyerno. So for the record, I want a report from the CHR. Bibigyan ko kayo ng kopya ng lahat na ito. 1,350 to. Na mga ang krimen, sari-sari, from violation of 9262, which is the Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Act, at napakahaba na listahan, physical injuries, direct assault, acts of lasciviousness, child abuse, attempted rape, carnapping, attempted homicide, attempted murder, attempted parricide, unjust fixation, theft, lahat committed by drug dependents and drug pushers. Yung mga biktima nito na naririto listahan, gusto ko malaman kung kumikilos kayong human rights at CHR. At wag yung puro human rights ng pusher or suspected pusher at human rights ng mga drug addict.
For his part, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano doubled down on Senator Lacson's observation by concluding the main witness is a fraud and is just hell-bent to discredit the president's reputation through his untruthful statements.
Ang nakita nyo ngayong umaga at ngayong hapon ay obvious na plan B ng iilan sa Liberal Party para pabaksakin ang ating Pangulo para bumalik sila sa kapangyarihan. Very obvious na ang witness ay hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. Napakaraming hearing na naganap sa buong Pilipinas, sa Kongreso, Senado. Kayo ang witness, lalo pag kukunti ang senador, pwede magtanong. Pero bakit pagdating sa akin ay bawal daw magtanong at hindi pwedeng pahabain? At bukod doon ay i-intimidate pa tayo. No? Ngayon lang po ako nakakita na kapwa senador, sasabihan mo na hindi kita papopormahin, tapos pipigilan nila magsalita, no? So I do not know what is becoming of the Senate except for a battering ram to place their own candidate, to place their own party mate sa palasyo. It's a pity, not because of Duterte. Hindi na si Duterte masasaktan dito eh. Ang buong Pilipinas na, it will hurt our investments, our trade, our tourism strategy sapagkat panay kasinungalingan na ang pinapalabas dito.
For PTV News, this is Marita Muaje.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.